Unpacking the phrase, checked in, a journey through English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unpack a phrase that you might have heard quite often but could also cause a bit of confusion if English is not your first language. We're going to explore the meaning of checked in and how you can use it correctly in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and get you checked in to the understanding of this versatile phrase. When we say someone has checked in, we are usually referring to a process where an individual reports their arrival at a certain location. This could be at a hotel, airport, or event. For example, when you arrive at a hotel, you go to the reception to inform them of your arrival, provide your details, and receive your room key. This process is known as checking in. It signifies that you are officially recorded as being present at that location. In our digital age, checked in can also mean registering your presence at a location via an online platform or social media. Many apps allow you to check into restaurants, cinemas, parks, or other public spots to let your friends know where you are. It's a way to share your current location or activities with your social circle, often accompanied by photos or status updates. Checked in isn't always about physical or digital locations. Figuratively, it can also refer to being mentally or emotionally present in a situation. For instance, during a meeting or a class, a teacher might ask if everyone is checked in, meaning, are they paying attention and engaged with what's happening? So, when someone is checked in, they are focused and participating actively. Understanding when to use checked in correctly is all about context. The meaning can change depending on where and how it's used. Listen closely to the conversation, and you'll pick up clues on whether it's about a location, an event, a digital check-in, or someone's level of engagement. And there you have it. You're now checked in with the knowledge about this common English phrase. Remember, context is key, and the phrase can be quite flexible. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language abilities, especially when it comes to understanding and using idiomatic expressions like checked in. Happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.